Welcome to the ice cream tier list out. Vanilla, A tier, not good, not bad. A tier. Chocolate, B tier. All of that I've ever tried is just really bad. It's just ruined it. Strawberry, B. Same reason as chocolate. Neapolitan. I know what you were thinking. Mint. I don't even know. Chocolate and vanilla swirl. See, it's a ripoff. Mint chocolate chip. Double chocolate. I've tried to mix this with as much as chocolate I can, but it's straight ass. Cookie dough. S tier. Coke. No. It's just, I use this as a substitute for cookies and cream for a lot. Cookies and cream is the GOAT. It is the GOAT. Hold on, let me just... There. Coffee. I've tried these before and they aren't really good, so I'm giving it a D. Blueberry. Actually, I haven't tried one before, but I don't remember. Birthday cake. Bruh. Do I need explanation? The birthday cake ice cream are just B tier. I don't even know why. Wait, now the music. Nice, thank you, Paul. Anyways, butter pecan. Haven't tried. Peanut butter. I've never actually tried peanut butter. Bro. Why is this list so long? Oh, that's a blue moon. I'm just gonna rate some of these off the bat. Superman, haven't tried. Rocky Road. Straight ass.
I had a bad night.
It's hard rating on your phone.
At first I didn't even know it was in.
It's
Remember?
Moose Tracks.
I thought it was a woman.
Tried.
About to ruin my life.
Bake it. I don't know what this tastes like, but I'm giving it an F.
It was at the moment when I thought my career
Raspberry
and my
Ribble, haven't
reputation were about to be
Cherry, haven't tried. Hold on. Strawberry cheesecake. C tier. Pistachio. English toast. Let's just speedrun this.
And I did. Look, I don't know how to describe it other than...
Alright, and this is the full tier list.
I'm standing next to John.
Yeah, I have no other content ideas. Goodbye.
Creeping me out.